Welcome! In front of me I have a thing of the past, which is a Nokia flip phone. Now this one is the 2660 Flip, and it was released in 2022 of July 12th. So not the newest device, but still close enough, I guess, especially for relics of the past like this one. So anyway, I'm gonna go over unboxing and a quick look at the device itself. So popping it open, let's see, I do need to cut my way in, because this is a flip phone. I'm assuming, oh boy, have I not seen a single piece charger in a long time. Ooh, and even worse, this is a micro USB. Yikes. See anything in here? Oh, yep, there we go. I was looking for the battery because I'm pretty sure it wasn't in there. So anyway, popping it open. It's actually bigger than you would probably expect from a flip phone. Yeah, that is pretty chunky. The weighting is a bit off. There's no battery right now so far, so I guess it kind of would make sense, but the screen is heavier right now than the bottom side, so it does feel kind of off. Let's see if we can figure out how to open it up. Now, while I have it open, we can also see that we have a dual SIM card support along with an SD card support, which is pretty good for a number of reasons. So you can obviously use two different SIM cards at the same time, along with expanding the storage. Now, by default, this device has 128 gigabytes of storage, or gigabytes, sorry, megabytes built-in storage. Oof. Wow. That's not a lot. So yeah, 128 megabytes of storage and 48 megabytes of RAM. My goodness, these specifications, oof. Okay, so as you can see, it's booting up. The resolution on the front display is basically non-existent. I can almost count the pixels from here. Let's see, does it say? So let's start off with the inside actually. So inside we have a TFT LCD display with a 2.8 resolution, 2.8 inch size, and it's running a resolution of 240 by 320 pixels. Nothing really substantial right here. That weird flickering that you see on the camera right now, that's not visible in person. That's just the camera refresh rate mismatching the actual screen refresh rate. And then the secondary display, which is the cover one, is a 1.77 inch display, though it doesn't really state the resolution, which is very low. Now, in terms of the processor powering this device, this is a Unisec T107, and it comes also with a 1450 mAh battery, obviously that I popped in before. And the charger that comes provided with this device is a probably 5 watts. Max, where is it max? I'm blind. 5 volts, half an amp. So that is 2.5 watts. Wow. Yikes. Yeah, that's 2.5 watts charger. It's nothing really great right here. Now, obviously this device isn't running any kind of Android or anything like that. And in terms of cameras, we're looking at a 0.3 megapixel camera right here that is unspecified in terms of like video recordings and all that stuff. There's also no selfie camera in here, so I presume you might be able to use this screen for selfies if you really wanted to, though keep in mind this is a 0.3 megapixel camera, so you're not going to get anything great out of it. And yeah, other than that, it really resembles the old kind of devices back in the day, like mid 2000s. At the beginning. So yeah, in terms of closing it though, the design right here is a bit off. It's kind of hard to close it without pressing the volume rockers if you're right-handed specifically. Left-handed one, I assume you might have a bit better results. But yeah, anyway, that's basically it. Not much to it. It's literally what you would expect from a phone that was released like back in 2010 maybe. So yeah, anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.